Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will discuss about the latest Infosys and Deloitte interview questions. Firstly, I will discuss the Infosys system engineer role interview questions. Firstly, what is abstraction in Java? Then what is method overloading and overriding? In which of the ops concept they are used? At what time method overloading and overriding occur, like a compiler and runtime? Question on multi-threading: what is deadlock, how to prevent deadlock, what is operating system, what is kernel in operating system, what are the types of data structure, time complexity of sorting algorithm, TCP IP layer, OSI layer, DBMS question and queries, exception handling question, and then types of trees, what is greedy algorithm, asked to write BST pseudocode, reverse string without any built-in function. Okay, so these are the interview questions of Infosys, and in the next the interview questions of Deloitte. Firstly, in technical interview they ask why cash flow and prepared when we have PLAC and balance sheet, how to analyze financial statement, what is impairment of asset, prepaid and outstanding payable, accumulated depreciation entry journal, then principle of accounting, then LTCG and STG, deduction and exemption difference. And then in the HR round questions, SIP and CV, recent project, why Deloitte, taxable profile in monitoring, why you want to join, then why Deloitte, why tax, why US tax, what is your USP, latest achievement, why should we hire you, how do you manage your time, haven't taken a decision that you regret, you preferred working in a team and individual. So these are the Deloitte and Infosys interview questions. So for more update like this, please do subscribe my YouTube channel guys. For the latest update, latest interview experience, I will share all IT company update and interview experience in this channel. So please do